Kids, today we will learn the names of animals and their babies. This is a lion. Its baby is called a cub. This is a cow. Its baby is called a calf. This is a dog. Its baby is called a puppy. This is a deer. Its baby is called a fawn. This is a tiger. Its baby is called a cub. This is a horse. Its baby is called a foal. This is a cat. Its baby is called a kitten. This is a goat. Its baby is called a kid. This is a sheep. Its baby is called a lamb. This is a rabbit. Its baby is called a kit. This is a chicken. Its baby is called a chick. This is a duck. Its baby is called a duckling. This is an elephant. Its baby is called a calf. This is a bear. Its baby is called a cub. This is a frog. Its baby is called a tadpole. This is a kangaroo. Its baby is called a joey. This is a camel. Its baby is called a calf. This is a bee. Its baby is called a larva. This is a fox. Its baby is called a kit. This is a butterfly. Its baby is called a caterpillar.